Welcome back to the garage, ladies and gentlemen. I have to apologise about all the breathing, the microphone. Alright, we're going to take the Kawasaki RL, the Kawasaki 650 RL, out for a short drive. It's up for sale at the moment. This might be the last chance I've got to ride it. I haven't had any footage of it riding it as yet, so let's take it out for a ride. This particular bike is a 650cc parallel twin. I have to do something about the floor in this garage, it's slippery as hell. Extremely reliable bike. Not only reliable, it's probably one of the most comfortable bikes I've ever been on in my entire life. Alright, I need to be a little bit careful on this bike this morning. I've just put a brand new tyre on the back. Hasn't even done a lap around the block as yet. Kawasaki 2012 Ninja 650 RL. Definitely up there with one of the best middleweight bikes you can buy for your money. This particular one I'll be selling for, I don't know, around $5,000 mark. Australian dollars, that is. The USD, probably around 3,000, 3,100. Engines in these things are absolutely bulletproof. They're fantastic. They run forever. This particular bike that I'm on at the moment's only got around 27,000 kilometres on it. Don't ask me how many miles, even though this is learner approved. It's still got plenty of power. Last time I rode it did anyway. Really needed to get it out and give it a good run around the place. It's been sitting in my garage for the last few months doing absolutely nothing. I did have all these grand plans of going touring up and down the coast and making a few videos, all that kind of thing, but unfortunately, as life goes, it didn't eventuate. I was trying to cut down on the amount of bikes that I own, that I've been buying. Unfortunately, one came up yesterday, GSXR 750 K5. It should get back to its former glory. The only slight downfall about this bike, I'd say, I don't know if you'd call it a downfall, but it is quite heavy. Definitely top heavy. If you're a smaller rider and you happen to lay it down on its side accidentally, I think it wouldn't be easy to get it back up again. I don't think it'd be easy for me to get it back up again, but definitely a top heavy bike. But I mean, for $5,000 on a low K bike, which really is rock steady and will take you just about anywhere and last forever. Haven't got a lot to complain about, really. Unless you're like me and you like to complain about everything. Why the hell do I keep getting an itchy face every time I jump on the bike? One thing that I've noticed that There's a slight downside about these bikes. I was going to say that I'd prefer if they revved a little harder, but I think I'm just being a bit of a pussy. I'm going a bit too easy on it. I'll wait till I get on a straight and I'll get stuck into it a little bit more. I don't want to do too much on these corners here. Not with a new tyre on the back. Especially just after I detailed it the other day, I'd probably more than likely to have some oil or some wax or tyre shine or something like that. Somewhere I don't want it to be. Hopefully I can remember where the hell I am, because I didn't bring my GPS with me. And this is all pretty unfamiliar. Another beautiful day out here, Queensland. We are, as far as I can tell, the other side of Ipswich, I think, somewhere around Redbank Plains. Motorway, that is not a place I want to be. Absolutely no desire whatsoever to go riding around on the motorway at this hour of the morning with the sun in everybody's eyes. Even though this bike still has the factory exhaust on it, it really doesn't sound too bad. And for, I don't know what country you're in at the moment, but in Australia, if, actually what I might do, I'll pull over and we'll have a look at this machine. What a beautiful machine. Absolutely gorgeous. Still got our factory exhaust. Looks quite good. It's tucked away under there. Nice bit of chrome. Sounds alright. So aftermarket rear spools. It's not an ER6N. To a lot of the world, yes, it is an ER6N. There's actually 4 different models in this exact same category in the same year. So what do we got here? A bit of carbon fibre ER6N, some crash guards, hand guards, knuckle guards, whatever you want to call them. Another ER6N accessory. Some brand new sprocket and chain by EK Japan. I've taken all the fairings off this and resprayed them. When I say fairings, I mean plastics. It's a naked, of course, but so every single plastic you see on here has been removed, washed, soaped down, resprayed, including tail, side plastics, rear wheel hugger, and of course the ER6N carbon fibre Timu upgrades up the front. Yeah, she's a lovely looking bike. Absolutely. Very, very stable, very steady on the road. No risk of, I want to say, being blown around. It is a very, very solid bike. Whether you're a learner or an intermediate or experienced rider. Alright, we still haven't taken much tread off that back tyre. So I'm not going to go leaning into any corners or anything like that.